Oleg is going to translate to the ring. Sergey, then you will detach the interface between Strela and the vehicle, and then both will use the ring to go back to DC.
Wow, that's kind of complicated. I'm not sure I understood the whole thing. Okay, here is the deal. I'm holding Strela, and also I'm holding on to the ring on the Soyuz. Sergey is doing the closeout ops with the KPO. I secured one cover because it was tangled a little bit. Or you can take care of this one, and I will jettison the second one. Do you want to jettison from this position? Yes, exactly. Okay, yes, this is a good position. Sergey, you're doing it towards the instrumentation compartment. The direction is 15 degrees of the x-axis, but in
Russian flight controllers informing Volkov and Kononenko as to how they intend to have them move back on the Strela boom, the transport crane that is one of two such telescoping booms that extend to 50 feet in length that are used to move spacewalking crew members around the Russian segment of the International Space Station. With their work having been completed at the Soyuz vehicle and the removal of one of the 10 Pyro bolts used to separate the lower propulsion module section of the Soyuz from the crew cabin section of the vehicle, and having had that Pyro bolt then placed in a protective blast-proof canister for its return to Earth in October with Volkov and Kononenko, the two cosmonauts will soon begin to make their way back to the docking compartment to bring their tools back inside, close the hatch to end today's spacewalk, and then repressurize the Pirs docking compartment. That will set the stage for NASA astronaut Greg Shamatov to be able to leave the Soyuz vehicle and rejoin his crewmates in the Russian segment of the complex.
Okay, done. Now, you can detether the second one. It's on.
A task that had been on the docket for today, had time permitted, the installation of a docking target as part of the equipment being installed at the forward end of the Zvezda service module for the automated arrival and docking of a Russian research module and a new airlock component next summer. That's being postponed until Tuesday, when it will be on tap as one of the first tasks for Volkov and Kononenko in the second of their two planned spacewalks.
On the ring too. After that, Oleg moves retethers to the ring using his safety tethers. Oleg, you detether Strela from Soyuz. Okay. This also tethered to the ring using your safety tethers. Okay. And then we'll start translating. Both you will be both on the ring, and we'll change Strela position later without the EVA operator on the end. Okay, now we understand. So, Henry, Sergey, I secured it on KPO. It's already there. Okay. When you'll be ready to start translation and swapping the tethers, please let us know. Okay, Sergey, here is the cover. See where it's flying? And this, I have a handrail here, and I have my BRT here. We don't see the second cover. It's flying towards the radiator. And actually, it had a contact with the ring when I jettisoned it, and then it flew towards the U.S. radiator. Do you see it? No. See, now I turned around. Have you seen it? Uh-huh. Okay. Did it touch it? Hard now. I just pushed it just a little bit. And when I'm talking about...
The two cosmonauts now have jettisoned both of the thruster covers that were used to protect the thrusters and the work side of the Soyuz spacecraft during the time that Kononenko was using a serrated knife to cut away multi-layer insulation to gain access for him and Sergei Volkov to the Pyro bolts.
Yes, we understand that. Okay, let's take some rest right now. Because really, we didn't want to keep Strela attached to Soyuz. Yes, that's true. Okay, so now I'll take the tethers and I will translate to the ring. Yes. Okay. I have one tether on this and the other one on this. Everything. Okay. Guys, don't hurry with the safety tethers. Yes, certainly. Now I need to move around here.